Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another video. In today's video I'm going to talk about this skid steer loader. Loader is not starting and its switch is also remains on. Okay, so I'm going to inside the cabin and let's show you. So now I'm inside the cabin. Here you can see this key switch is on side, off side. Okay, so here you can see this main screen is showing on. Okay, so I'm going to on. Now machine is on, so you can see here are some codes coming. M1605, M1402, M2207, M1502, these M5306, these are the codes are coming. Okay, so first I describe these codes and after it I will diagnose the problem. So I will discuss about all the error codes which are appearing on the dashboard, and after it I will try to diagnose the problem. So our first code is M2207, starter output open circuit. Our machine is also not starting, so this code is coming. So we will check why this code is coming. Second one is 1502, traction lock pull out error on. Traction lock mean parking brake is not releasing. Third code is M1605, mean traction lock hold solenoid short to battery. Fourth code M1402, fuel pull output error on. Okay, it means the fuel is not going to the engine. Fifth code is M5306. It means press to operate light short to ground. All the lights also not working, so this code is also coming. So these are all the fault codes which are appearing on the dashboards. I start my diagnosis process from this code. Why from this code? Because you can see the traction lock hold solenoid short to battery. Mean this is the dangerous code. So here's now I came to this engine side. Okay, so here is my fuse and relay box. I will remove this cover and will inspect there is any short is here. I check all the fuses and relays here. So I will open this one. Okay, so you can see all the fuses are here. How we can remove this box? Here you can see, I show you, here are the two screws. You can see one screw is here and one screw is this side. Maybe I can show you upside here, this one. Okay, I will remove that screw and this fuse will come out. So here you can see I have removed these two screws. Okay, from one is from here and one is the next, this is the back side. Okay, so I'm going to pull out this box. Okay, so you can see I have removed. So I will inspect it first properly. Maybe not any wire is short here. Okay, then I will check the other things. So here you can see I have found one fuse. You can see what happened to this fuse. Okay, you can see this fuse is burnt. Okay, I show you inside the box. This area you can see, this side, this fuse, this area. Okay, So this fuse is this parking traction holding solenoid, this park brake solenoid. Okay, so this is my fuse of a traction holding solenoid is this one. So my code is also showing that this traction holding solenoid is short. So I check the traction holding solenoid. I also show you where is this one. So here you can see this cabin. Okay, I will pull up this cabin. I will remove this one bolt is here, one bolt. I remove this bolt, and after it I will open this cabin. This cabin move upside. Okay, and my traction solenoid is in this area. You can see I have lifted up the cabin. So here is my traction holding solenoid, this one. Okay, so I remove this connector, and after it I will check it. Okay, so I'm going to remove this connector, and after it I will on my machine. So here you can see here I fix new fuses, and here I remove this connector. Now I'm going to cabin down. Going to cabin down, and we'll check. Now you can see I have came inside the cabin. Okay, so this time is a cabin. This light is not on. Okay, I'm going to on. Now is on. So you can see only one code is coming. All code has gone, and this code is open circuit of the solenoid. You know I have disconnected the connector of the solenoid, so this code is coming. Not another. And this you can see this light is blinking. Why? Because I opened the connector. I'm going to start, and this is a parking light blinking. Why this is blinking? Because I opened the connector of the tracking solenoid. So it means problem is a track solenoid is internally shorted. So I remove. Now as the machine is start. Even I switch off the machine. So now is a switch off this screen. So problem is I found the problem. Problem is a tracking solenoid is short. So here's now I'm going to fix back this relay and fuses box. Fixing back. Problem is not here. Problem is traction holder solenoid is a shortage. Okay, so here was only the fuse was burnt very badly. So I fixed new fuse. I fixed it. So now I'm going to fix back this fuse box. So here you can see I fixed back this relay and fuse box. Fixing back this cover. Okay. Here you can see I have purchased the new traction hold solenoid. So now I will check the resistance of both solenoid and in front of you, and you can easily understand the difference between them, and you can also understand what the problem to the old one. So you can see the new one have the 19.9 ohm resistance. Okay, 20 ohm, 19.9 ohm. Okay, so this is the old one. What's the difference of the old one? So you can see the 11.7, 11.5 ohms. It means my old one has the resistance. So now I'm going to fix this new one, and after fixing it I will check that my problem has solved or not. Okay, so now I'm going to fix this new one. So here you see I have fixed the new traction hold solenoid. Okay, so now I am pulling down the cabin, and now I will go inside the cabin and try to on my machine and check it my code has gone or not, and also I will start it. So be with me. I'm going to, so viewers, now I am cabin. Have sit inside the cabin. So now I'm going to on the machine. I'm fixing the key. So now machine is on. So you can see this dashboard is showing not any error is coming. This is my hours meter and there is not any code is found. Machine, so you can see my machine is started, not any issues now. Before it was not starting. So okay, now it's checking brake. You can heard the brake is opening, traction solenoid is working, so brake is opening and closing. There is not any issue. You can see now the brake is become off. Okay, so you can see now brake is on, so my traction solenoid is working. Now as viewers you can see, now as my loader is starting, is also working, parking brake opening, starting, no problem, everything is okay. Okay, the problem was that solenoid was heated. I show you the resistance of that solenoid. That solenoid resistance is very low. Okay, so therefore that was a problem coming. So now as a loader is working. Okay, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.